Welcome back! In this video, we'll show you how to make a simple and stylish makeup pouch at home. Measure and cut 2 rectangles of fabric, each about 14 by 9 inches. Place one outer fabric piece right side up. Lay the zipper face down along the 9-inch edge and sew along the zipper edge. Unzip the zipper halfway. Align the outer fabrics together and the lining fabrics together and sew around the edges. Along with the top stitch, you also need to sew 2 4-inch square pieces of fabric on both sides. Once that is done, insert the zipper runner. After placing the zipper runner, attach the required strap on one side of the bag. Then position the square pieces of fabric on both sides and sew them securely. Sewing the fabric pieces on both sides, the pouch starts to take shape beautifully like this. Now, it's time to add the finishing touch by sewing all 4 corners of the pouch with piping on both sides for a clean and polished look. And just like that, your beautiful pouch is ready. Handmade with love, crafted with care. Remember, every stitch is a step toward creativity. Keep making, keep creating.